Hi there everyone, welcome back again to another PTC Creo parametric tutorial. In this video, we will talk about volume helical sweep. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here you can see I have already opened PTC Creo parametric. Now let me click on new and then okay. Now here we can see we are in part modeling environment, and let me actually quickly create a cylinder here. So here I can again take 8 mm, just like what we did in case of normal helical sweep. Here also let me specify the length as 25 and let's make it symmetric to the plane. Now let me also make a head here, and then I'm not going to beautify it to save some time. So basically we are creating this bolt, and let's make this as 8 mm. Okay, now let's click here on sweep, volume helical sweep. So now let's talk a little bit more about volume helical sweep. So basically volume helical sweep generally mimic that tool profile that rotates or revolves around a helical path. We're going to see complete difference between helical sweep and volume helical sweep in our next video, but let's see how we can make it in this one. So here I can click on profile, just like the way what we did in case of helical sweep. And I would say this is more practical if in case you are creating a profile where you need to do machining. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is let me add the helical trajectory, and we already have added center line. Now let's click OK. And there we go. Now we need to define the section here. So let's click here on create and edit section. And just like what we do in case of helical sweep, here also we need to do the same. So let me define this cross section here, 1.5. And since in case of volume helical sweep, you only can remove material, you cannot add material. So this is again a very basic difference between both helical sweep and volume helical sweep. Now here you can see I have just deleted the area that was not intersecting from this volume. Or else let me actually show you what does this mean. So here you can see I have defined this cross section, and if I hit OK, here you can see it shows an error. So what does this mean? This means that, the section must contain a line along y-axis. So just like what we do in case of revolve, we make sure that the section exists only one side of axis. So for this section, actually this is a revolve axis, okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make sure that it should not cross this line. Now let's close this, and now let's click OK. And this time here you can see guys, we were able to perform this volume helical sweep. And just like normal helical sweep, we can also define whether you want pitch to be right-handed or left-handed. Now let's click OK. So in this way guys, you can create a volume helical switch inside PTC Creo parametric. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such videos. And I will catch you soon with one such another tutorial. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.